The stylish right-hander holds the record for most half-centuries in T20s. However, that's not the only reason why he is so highly regarded. Batsman's Q average of over 50 in T20s, plays pure cricketing shots, still strikes over 130, and has got out in single digits only 5 times in 30 innings, has indicated how he cannot be easily phased. Number 5, 56 not out versus Sri Lanka, Dhaka, 2016. India won the Asia Cup thanks largely to a couple of brilliant knocks from Virat Kohli, chasing 138 on a slightly dicey and sticky wicket. India were 16 for 2 in the fourth over, but Kohli once again anchored the chase beautifully, adding 54 for the third wicket and 51 for the fourth wicket. Number 4, 90 runs versus Australia, Adelaide, 2016. Kohli is the king of all chases, but this innings certainly shows he can't back a series punch even when the team has to set a target. Kohli showed sublime touch and great class to score his best of 90 runs in just 55 balls, with 9 fours and 2 sixes. That came against a bowling attack that had Sean Tait, James Faulkner and Shane Watson, that came playing away from home, and it pushed India to 118 runs. Number 3, 55 runs not out versus Pakistan in Kolkata, 2016. Lost a World Cup game to Pakistan in 10 previous encounters, but this one looked tough on an extremely difficult pitch that had 10 square. Pakistan posted 118 runs, which seemed like a challenge total. To make things difficult, India were 23 for 3 in the fifth over with Mohammad Shami on fire. However, Kohli came on and it looked as if he was batting on a different streak compared to others. Yuvraj Singh scoring 24 of 23, added 61 with Kohli for the fourth wicket. However, it was Kohli's sublime touch that looked invincible that day as he scored 55 off just 37 balls with 7 fours and a 6. A strike rate of close to 149 looked unbelievable given the situation, the pitch and the pressure. Every knock against odds rivals counts for much more, and this will go down as one of the best T20 knocks of all time under pressure during a chase. 72 runs not out was South Africa, Mirpur, 2014. The semi-final of the 2014 T20 World Cup, a high-score knockout match. Kohli delivered and that too in some style. Batting first, South Africa posted 172 on his luckiest wicket, thanks to a half-century from Faf du Plessis, but India chased it down in some style thanks to an unbeaten 72 from Kohli. Known for his risk-free cricket, India's vice-captain stroked 5 fours and 2 sixes in his 44-ball knockout of 163 to ensure India got to 176 in just 19.4 overs. Number 1, 82 runs was Australia, Mohali, 2016. This is arguably the greatest T20 innings chasing, not just of his own career. Kohli was his one-man batting lineup in a do-or-die situation, helping India beat Australia to reach the semi-final of the 2016 T20 World Cup. After the innings, Kohli's average in the second innings in wins touched an incredible 122.8, almost superhuman, chasing 161 runs in a must-win game. India were 49 for 3 in the 8th over, recovering more than 10 per over. From there on, India managed to score more than 60 runs in the last 5 overs, thanks to a special effort by Kohli. He ended the match 82 runs, adding 67 with MS Dhoni, who had scored just 18 in that partnership.